Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zapier to connect HubSpot and Slack step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account or create one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap to start creating a new automation. In the Trigger section, search for and select HubSpot from the list of apps. Choose the specific trigger event you want to use with HubSpot. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Now, click on Sign in to HubSpot to connect your HubSpot account. A new window will pop up, prompting you to log into HubSpot. Enter your HubSpot credentials and click Login. You may need to grant Zapier permission to access your HubSpot account. Click on the Authorize button to allow this access. Once connected, choose the specific HubSpot account you want to use. Click Continue to set up your trigger. Now, you'll be prompted to test the trigger from HubSpot. Click on Test Trigger and check if you receive the test data. If successful, click on Continue. Next, move to the Actions section and search for Slack. Select Slack from the app list. Choose the action event you want to perform in Slack. Click on Continue to connect your Slack account. Click on Sign in to Slack to begin the connection process. A Slack authorization window will open. Choose the workspace you want to connect to. Click Allow to permit Zapier to access your Slack workspace. After successful connection, select the specific channel where you want the action to occur. Complete any additional fields required for your Slack action. Click Continue to proceed. Now it's time to test the action. Click Test Action to ensure that the setup works correctly. Once confirmed, click on Turn on Zap to activate your Zap. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.